has change really occurred in the construction industry?
Yes, a lot has changed. If you look at in the past 10 years, a lot has changed.
Yes.
In the way people do business, in construction, in the way people do project management, the technology has changed.
Yes.
The technology in the building material that we use has also changed. Yes.
But what is the biggest change you've seen? Like the biggest one?
It's the biggest change is the change from over-reliance of fundi, estimations, kufanya rough estimations za kazi, to now fully trusting and relying on, how do I put it? Relying on now having accurate measurements,
Yes.
accurate costings, and use of technology in construction. Yes.
All right. So, nataka tuingie kwa hii na hii najua tunakaa hapa kidogo. So, tulikuwa tunasema na Brian about change. Tukasema yes, change is inevitable, but it is not equal. Kuna mahali unaweza taka hiyo change, but how empowered are you to adopt to that change? Akanipea example ya old people wenye wako atina buying power ama wako na uwezo wa kujenga haraka sana. So he's saying that huyo shosho atachange aje, ataadopt aje kutumia technology yeye, badala ya kwenda kwa cyber kuacha details zake huko, o upate amefanyiwa mambo kwa email, atafanya. So what will happen to that shosho? How are they supposed to adopt to some changes?
The changes we are looking at in the construction industry do not really matter who's paying. Who is paying. It matters who is working, who is doing the work. And the technology itself, like the changes in material, change in management systems, change in designing systems, vitu kama hizo, it's all to the young people. Yes. It's not the shosho that is building.
Okay.
It's the shosho that is paying for somebody to build. So we are looking at the direction where now I am approaching that shosho with the, like, now we don't build using the mawes peke yake. We can have precast, we can have hollow blocks, we can have the styrofoam. There is a lot that we can do now when we want to do walling slab than just the conventional way. So we are not really supposed to be concerned about the person with the millions and billions not changing. It's the people who are now in the industry, the workforce in the industry, that is supposed to adapt to change. And that is the concern. Because these are the people that take time to want to start to use new methods of construction, new machinery, new technology, and taking such kind of direction. Yes.
So we should avoid looking at change in terms of mwenye analipa.
That is should not worry you. Should not worry you so much. Because ukiangalia zile vitu zinabadilika kwa construction industry, ni kama msee anakuapproach na badala fundi akuja kuambie hii nyumba ita cost roughly pesa fulani, already ushalipa QS, mwenye amekufanyia BQ, amekupea material schedule, amekupea labor schedule accurately, or at least it is accurately. Ndio ili ufanye second guessing kwa hiyo kazi. Yeah, sasa unaona hapo, it doesn't matter whether it is an old person paying or a young person paying. Bora wamekubali watatumia BOQ kufanya kazi. Watatumia designs. You will get an architect to design for you. Ndio ili ujiplan vizuri.
So what about this example? I want to look at examples of aesthetics I would want in my house. And I don't have simu. I am relying on kwenda kuchungulia za wenyewe venye ziko. So hapo nitasaidika aje?
It is
change in terms of technology now in construction. See, looking at it
is very interesting that you would assume an old person and a smartphone in this era. They do. And they are the ones that are quick to want to show you I know how to use a smartphone.
Yes.
And I saw this house and I liked it. Can I get something like this?
Okay.
Yes. Because now it is easy. Yeah, internet is accessible almost everywhere in this country. And smartphones have become very cheap to afford. Yes.
Okay.
So it is not something that we are looking at like as if we are now evolving from the old technology to new technology. It is there. The only now difference is those who are willing to adopt to it very fast.
Okay.